Top of the morning, my beautiful people. I'm guessing Bias is in the fucking chat. I don't see anybody in the chat. I know I got a viewer, though. I don't know who the hell it is. Speak up. Yeah, this shit's funny. This shit is funny, bro. We're right around that opening price. Or that closing price of yesterday. What up, what up? How we doing? How we doing? Somebody in that chat, my boy? Somebody in that chat? Nice little penny. Could see it want to rock it up here. Yeah, this you also have a 5 minute. That's why I didn't mark out the whole thing. You have a little 5-minute guy right in the center of that, at the top half. So, a little refined, boy. But then you also have this. So price can come back down to hit it again. Well, inversion P. See what we want to do. There's old buy guy, bro. Where's the old buy guy, bro? Old buy guy. Should I make this like taller? I don't know if I can. Have to be with my camera. Where's my boy? See if this shit's right, because I had to close 4. Yeah, 4. Motherfucker. God damn it. Website. Copy. Who's viewing the stream right now? Who got the stream up? Save. Type in the chat real quick so I know who I'm talking to, my boy. It's definitely buy guy. Hundo P. Had a new little intro right there. Fixed it up a little bit. Had all of them turn neon and a little bit of a better ting for the boy. Yeah, I knew it was old buy guy. He goes, duh. Buy guy, what up? Yo, you know what I just thought of too? Which we're both idiots, mostly me, idiot for. But I can just record my fucking Streamlabs. And if I just hit the record button, then yeah, it just saves. You know what I mean? You know what I mean there, bud? So instead of having me clip everything, but clips are still good, obviously. I need to start saving the clips. Save replays. But I'm actually going to look up how to do that real quick. I mean, I have the replays. I want to change the length of the replays. How to change the length of saved replays in Streamlabs. Basically clips, but Streamlabs calls them. Yeah, it definitely does still take too long. That's what I'm saying. Replay buffer. Okay, replay buffer length. All right, so settings, output. Settings. Output. Replay buffer length. Oh, I can only do 60 seconds. That's so fucking ass. How do I change that? Let me change it. Is it because I'm streaming right now? Yeah, if I'm currently streaming, I can't change it. Fuck! It's alright. We'll try it out. We will try. Try it out, try it out, try it out. Alrighty, what are we looking at here? What do we got? Had a little retail sales, 8:30. A little TGIF setup for today. So, we already took out the liquidity up top, so our weekly bias was already hit. Now, we should see a little bit of retracement off the weekly high because everybody's still going to try to chase it. But the only thing is, if we look over here, ES still has two relative equal highs, still right up there, which would absolutely fucking bang. So, either way, I'm kind of torn between the two. I'd like to see, honestly, ES go and take out those highs, but I can absolutely retrace back down into this fair value gap I have down in here. It's a little breaker. Fair value gap down in this area. It's a 25% retracement off the weekly high, and then the last week's high there was a 30% retracement off of it. And this right below this is a 20. I'm pretty sure. Let's mark it out again real quick. Pretty sure that's what I saw. So the weekly low, weekly high. Yeah, the low is right below these lows. So 22.033. So if we get some downward momentum here, I like to go lower. Really, if you break this swing low, we have a nice little swing low here if we can keep it, which could also be a nice little swing low because it's also a fair value gap. You're also trading into this, but last line of defense would probably be the center of this, which on the 5 minute, it's more refined. Little LLD right in there. Same with ES. ES has a nice hour. ES is a little bit more, a little stronger on the upside here. It was a little stronger on the downside, and now it's got some legs to go a little higher on the upside. So it's showing a lot more energy today. A lot more energy. What are we looking at here? Also, bias. Check this out real quick. Which one do you like better? You like this one better? The traditional where I had it set up like this. Face over here, the only reason why is 5 minute, 1 minute, and then 15-second right here. So I switched them and I went bam. 5 minute, 1 minute, 15-second. Entries over here on the right side. I feel like that's a smoother transition for everybody. But then also like my face over here is like turned away from the chart. It's like facing in towards it. It's like, I don't know. It seems like it's, you know, more directional. I mean, I could always just flip the camera, but... So yeah, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. What's up? What are you thinking about? Thinking about it. I like this one. It's a nice little fairy right there. Five and 15. 15 minutes. There we go. Okay. So this was the original setup, obviously, the camera in the bottom left. I have 15-second here, but then it goes from 5 to 1. I think it's better if I have this up and it goes from 5, 1, 15 second and have it laid out like this way. 5, 15 or 5, 1, 15. I dig it. Five, 1, 15 there, brother. You know what I'm saying? On 25, little ripper. He said other way. You like it the other way. Why do you like it the other way? Live trade on left. All right. Why do I like that? But why? But why, good sir? Looking bullish here. Yeah, 100%. I agree. Clips. What's this one called? Fucking. What's this bullshit called? Thank you. And yes, done. Remove. 9:30 coming out here in a few seconds. Nice little 50-second 9:30 here on Babe. Here we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ES. Damn. Nice reaction from ES down lower. Showed some promising signs for bullishness, and now it's saying nope. It said nope. Said nah, boy. Said nah, boy. Very clean delivery price right here. Last couple hours. 15 minutes can get some nice PDAs in there. Super small gap opening. 925 was a little sketch too, so we'll see how they open. I'm predicting not symmetrical market here. And it was on that fucking low. Nice. Looks like we want to shoot up. This is a perfect TGIF scenario. Get them all faked out, going the one way, and then just crashing on them, going the opposite way. So I will be waiting for that. Yeah, we need to put teams on split cam. I agree. Let's see. There's a video on it and stuff. OpenStream Labs that. Name the store's T-Call. Choose the Microsoft Teams window for the window drop menu. Adjust the picture capture. Yeah, what up? What up, F you? What up, Few? What up, baby? Freddy Few. Freddy Few. Freddy, baby. That's right, little Fredward action there. Bounce right off this little fair value gap, old Patty. Little fair value gap on the 15-minute. It's right in there. What are you thinking, Patty? Where do we go? Are we going up? Are we going down? We going up? We going down, Patty? What do we got? What do we got? Check it out. Check it out. I mean, they're kind of in sync still. I don't hate it. A little bit of a tight range on ES. I might be able to take it on Nazi D. Yeah, Nazi D got some wiggle room here. We can get a little something. I like it. I want it to go lower, to be honest. But not going to bend my will to the market. Almost took out that swing low. Fair value gap right there. Let's see what happens there. We break that one the 15-second here. It could be going higher. Leaving SMT on those lows. That'd be the break of market structure you need to rip it. But I think we're going to go lower. What up, boys? What up, chat? How we feeling today? I feel pretty good. Yesterday was a little wild, but is what it is, my boy. TGIF, baby. Yep, we want to see the opposite rip happen. That's right, Big Shao. That's right, Big Shao. Big Shao's with family this week, so he is just chilling right now. Like I said, I'd like a lower from here. I like a lower. ES left relative equal highs on the daily. Would be nice to see him go get it, but can also just sell off. Bang, right there. Nice little scalp lower. Bang. That wick high right there on the 15-second. It wants to do, like I said, it's trading that 15-minute fair value gap, so it's giving it a little bit of trouble. But you got the relative equal lows down here. Order block, fair value gap again. So that's a pretty strong level. Let's see if we can get a 15-second break through this 15-minute fair value gap. Still through the order block here, still in the fair value gap. It's a little bit messy. Obviously, a little high resistance to run anywhere. Doesn't run liquidity right away. So, off rip, we're in a little bit of a high resistance liquidity run here, where it's not very smooth markets. Everything's overlapping. Opening range is super small too, so that's also another characteristics. But all right, so we finally get the rollover there below these two lows here. Close the whole fair value gap on the 15. I have this 5-minute fair value gap I really like right there. Let's see what it does. This is also the 15-minute inversion fair value gap. That's super nice. So I do like a lower eventually, but do we have to go higher initially, like over the swing high then and then go lower? That if I was making the market, that's what I would do. I'd rip it over the swing high here from here, and then I'd just rip it lower and keep going for the day. Bam, I do that. Because now these guys are feeling safe in their shorts. And if they're feeling safe, it's like, all right, well, if they're feeling safe, let me get them out real quick. So, who else we got in the chat? Who else is in the building? Who we got in the building, my boy? Little ES comparison here. NASDAQ's just kind of messing around. ES going a little bit higher. That's about it, though. That's about it. Not too much happening. Like I said, a lot of overlap here. ES and NASDAQ. Like, that's a lot of just back and forth price action. So, NASDAQ staying heavy, a little bit lower. ES is trading back up towards its 930 high, initial high. We do have this liquidity up here on ES. 15-minute lick. I could want to trade up into. That high over here. So, if we can get above that, I think it's going to go up for that high. So, a little something like this. Yep, bing. We'll retrace back down into it and then take out the high. First presented right there. Super nice. First presented. It could actually get down into that and then rock it from there to go higher. NASDAQ following suit. Yeah, I like it, C-Drag. Right now, it definitely looks bullish. I mean, like I said, like, I would love to see it just go up. Like, we could actually just have like this scenario where it goes up all the way up here. Like, there's so many scenarios you can have, but I mean, go all the way up. I'm talking about ES right now. But, and then this could do whatever the hell it wants right now, but ES has a clear draw to the upside. And then from there, we tank lower and come back below the swing low we had overnight. That'd be cool. Rip up there for the morning session, and then lunch, PM session, rip back lower. But nothing interesting right now because the markets are a little unappealing if you look at NASDAQ here. ES, you can, I mean, it's definitely leader to the upside. So if you're going to take a buy, I would definitely take it in ES. Hundo P. Hundo P. Hundo Pizzo. You know what I mean? So ES, we're looking to get back up into there. It's drawing up towards this level. Right up through there. NASDAQ staying bearish big time. M15 ES. Yep. Absolutely. Drawing over this high right here to ES. Can definitely use that as a little inverge piece. Little inverge guy. Yeah, you also have a nice one from 8 p.m. yesterday. But let's check out the regular trading hours here. It's going to be up on the different screen. 15 ES. I mean, you don't have anything for days, bro. For ES. You have those two liquidity pools there. What the fuck's going on here? Bro, what actually just happened? That's funny. Anyway. But yeah, no, it's solid. Then you get to the premium side of that right there, that 5-minute guy, 5-minute Johnny. Little nested boy. Shouldn't come back down to the lower half of it. Yeah, it's about to take out the swing high. NASDAQ doing a whole bunch of nothing. NASDAQ below NAWAG. Last like TGIF. Let's see, where are these NAWAGs at? What NAWAG you talking about? Nadog, you mean? I like Nadog. Yeah, Nas very lackluster first 15 minutes. ES, we're going to see it take out that high. Last line of defense for ES would be the first presented fair value gap down here. It can come all the way back down and then trade all the way back up, but I think it's going to stay strong and just rip it. Come back down to this volume bounce here too on the 5-minute. This gap. 12.16. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Oh, yeah, from way back then. It didn't even show on my 5-minute chart. Yeah, I mean, that's below that swing low. I like the Nadog, really, to take down lower. Wait, was that the... Oh, this is the Nawag. That looks like a Nadog to me. Fuck, what the hell? It's not good. They're the same fucking color. Shit. There we go, big gap there. We got ES trading back down to this area. I mean, it should definitely hold from there and go higher. You have this order block, you have volume balance, you have the first percent of fair value gap. We get below that, I don't think we're going to be exploring higher. But NASDAQ trickling down lower, like mixed markets like this, you don't want to be in right now. I'm totally cool with not taking a fucking single trade today. I'm absolutely okay with that. I've been ripping trades these past couple fucking days, bro. Really, all of February. I think I've taken a trade every single day in February, and that's unlike me. Like, I had Patty fucking yelling at me to take a fucking trade because I would never take a goddamn trade. But, I mean, markets have been clean, honestly. But ES, bang right there. Taking out the high. Love it. Hitting that high to a tick. Probably wouldn't have filled me like yesterday. Oh, man. All right, what are we thinking, boys? I mean, NASDAQ looks like my fucking armpit, so... I mean, if you're into armpits, I mean, it kind of looks nice. Yeah, I mean, look at the 15-second. Look at the 1 minute, bro. Yeah, right, I know. Crazy, bro. Yeah, macro only for sure. But, like, even then, like, I mean, you can't even get a direction out of this. You know? Can't even rip a direction. We have both sides of liquidity here. I like the buy side to get taken out short term here on NASDAQ. Just looking at it. 22.17. And then at least trade up to 22.122 from here. So, a little 10-point range. Oh, very not fun. 1 minute volume bounce right there. Order block. Want to see that hold, but I mean, we're in a little bit of a range right now. So trying to call the both ends of the range. I mean, you wait for the breakout and then you trade the opposite way back into 50%. But yeah, that high's a little too clean there. For my liking. So NASDAQ's turned on a little bit. ES is staying kind of consolidating now after NASDAQ consolidated a little bit. So not cool. YM's also tanking lower. That's why ES is consolidating. NAS going higher. YM going lower. ES consolidating. But we just hit a 22.25 there. So little 10-point move. Call back at that candle right here. Like I said, I like it to rip it up and then just fucking tank it down lower. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Put them in a fucking blender. You know what? I gotta go to the bathroom though real quick. I don't know what the hell's going on with me, but I got some serious gas. Did you guys ever like wake up in the middle of the night? This could just be me, but wake up in the middle of the night having to shit so bad that's like I have to sprint to the bathroom because I think it's gonna come out. I know it's a little TMI, but like still. Like, dude, I did that like 3 times last night. I woke up, I was like, what the hell? He goes, no, you're dirty. Bro, it just like shot. It was like just, it felt like it was shooting out. Like I woke up like suddenly. I was like, what the fuck? And like had to sprint to the bathroom, but then it was just a fucking ginormous fart. Gut problems, eat better. What was I eating yesterday? Oh my God, I had a burrito bowl yesterday. Oh, that's probably why. No, but you know what I did have? No, you're absolutely right. I had Chinese food from my boy that had. Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, my boy gave me Chinese food and I was like, ooh, this looks good. And yeah, no, that was definitely it. You're absolutely right. Looking back on it. Because I was like, wait, I had a burrito bowl. I was trying to think what I had. And I was like, oh yeah, it was definitely that Asian food. Yeah, no more of that. Good shit. Good comms. Good comms. He said L boy. You're absolutely right. That shit's going right through me right now. But watch the highs here. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Watch these. Once we break over this, I like something like this. Bang, bang, bang. Something like that. To take out this high. And see where it goes after that. Could want to take out this high too. Over here. But it would be super nice just to roll over. ES tracking higher as well. But yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Literally the start of the macro. I'll be right back. Ying. Keep the stream up, you worm. You're a little worm, boy. Yeah, I gotta get a little transition thing to keep it up. Oh, dude, that was fucking quick. So we're gonna take out that high. Like I said, I want to see a break. Retrace here with that big ass wick. You retrace it back down to this area, and then you go higher. So super clean. He goes, wait, what the fuck? Yeah, I got it. I know. I take the quickest shits in the fucking in the league, bro. My shits are like 0.5 seconds, my boy. Bam, right there. Yep, so broke that high, came all the way back down, hit this block right here on that wick, and then rocketed right up above that swing high. Now, what I would love to see, like I said, if I was making the market, I'd take it from here and just absolutely destroy everybody and go lower. Like, absolutely just wipe them out. Like, no remorse. Loose asshole just flows out. Yo. I got some explaining to do. Yeah, you're funny. You're hilarious. that, yep. All right. Okay. Okay, buddy. Only for you, bro. You gotta keep that on DL. Shh. Still no first presented. Yeah, that's wild. Wild, bro. Absolutely insane. I would love something like this. Now you have a breaker here. High, low, higher, high. Trade back down, trade up, and then just fucking cascade lower. You got liquidity down here. Love these lows. These lows are fucking prime. If I was a bet man, I'd take that trade right now. Shonko still no first presented. Just changing the subject completely. He's so uncomfortable. Oh my god, Alex Dabunda would be so uncomfortable right now. That dude is an actual well, I can't say that, but he's not actually, but he just he doesn't like gay jokes. It's hilarious. He like takes offense to it. No, I'm kidding. He doesn't take offense, but what a guy. Like I said, I like that. Lower, up, down. Very clean. Should be clean. Should turn on here. It's not cool, bro. Oh, there goes the first presented. Can we get it? It's going to be way up there. It's going to suck. Come on, fill it in. I don't want that to be the first presented. Come on. Oh, it's the first presented. Look at that little shit, bro. Short it. Short it. You won't. You won't short it. Bro, that could absolutely be the high right there. Like I said, I fucking called that shit down here. So I want to see it rip one more time and then fucking work its way lower. I would love that, bro. Such a good fucking narrative. Rip it lower. Just absolutely destroy some prices lower. Oh, beautiful from the first presented right there. Where would a stop loss even be? Bam. Bam. Oh my god, look at this thing just fucking dive. Bro, this thing's just gonna absolutely just get destroyed here. Oh, look at that. Damn. That whole retracement right there, that's tough. Not clean. Unless it uses that for an inversion there and we take out higher. 3 drives higher, we'll have this liquidity up top. 15-minute lick. And then we got this bad boy up here. Should be like an hour lick. Wow, I used it clean for an inversion, bro. That thing put the skirts on, bro. That was like... It said I want to go... dude, that like... I don't know. In my opinion, that's like manual manipulation right there. Manual intervention. Because, dude, the way that just reacted like that... That's like, yeah, I'm gonna put the skirts on real quick. Like, that was kind of nuts. Unless Trump said some dumb shit. Then they were allowed to manually intervene. One more time higher. If we get back down below the swing low here, I think we're definitely going to be going lower. We have SMT now in the highs. I gotta shuffle my cards in peace. They don't show up on the audio. So sick. Nothing yet. Like I said, it's gonna have to take a lot for me to get into a trade today. Because what I'm seeing right here is not too good. I mean, you have the 5-minute fair value gap as well. First presented 5. Right here. If we get back down below that, I could see us going lower. But you also just at the opening price too, so it has to be like really convincing. Like leave another fair value gap in there. So something like this. Trade below this swing low, retrace a little bit, trade below this swing low right here. Retrace a little bit back into this. Close over this 5-minute fair value gap. And then from there, trade back into the fair value gap that's in here. And then take out the lows back down over here. So I'll take this trade. If we can get it. If we can get it. Balance range shouldn't have to come back up into this after breaking the low. Because you have this nice down close candle here. So should definitely stay down below that. Would love to see a rip lower. Leave this liquidity up top. It's going to reject like that. I'm looking low today, bro. I'm looking lower. Looking lower. Unless ES wants to fuck around and trade above this 15-minute fair value gap. Come back down to it. Put the 5-minute in there. 5-minute. But yeah, price action's been kind of weird other than this 950 ripper. from here. Trade all the way up to there, trade down, trade up above that, like I said, down to this order block right here, and then trade above this high only. That's all I saw it going. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. How you feeling today, boys? Where's old K Pizzle? Sea Drag, Patty, we in a trade right now or what? What's good? What's good? What's good? What do we got? What do we got? Sparks a little conversation up in this bitch, you know? I miss my boys, bro. I miss Big Sean talking to him on the live. I miss fucking Big Al talking to him on the live. Hour just closed. Nice little hour close right there. Nice little bull candle. 15-minute closure as well. We go back to old vertical. Hour close. Nice bullish 15-minute close. Not the most convincing. We're also respecting this on the last 15-minute on ES too. Hour close. Nice little bull candle there. But it's not telling me really anything that I need to know. Let's swing high. We're respecting this micro fair value gap on that hour chart right there. Little tiny fair value gap right there. So that's about it. First presented again. We just used it. Nice little tank right there. So reclaim first presented. So that's a big characteristics of a high resistance liquidity run. Now, do I want to get into the market in a high resistance liquidity run condition? Not 100% sure, but like I said, I like that to break right there. 5-minute closure over this. I mean, we still have 3 fucking minutes, so I can just mess around in here. But would be nice. It could just also just tank, but like I said, I like that to be the high up there and it to go lower from somewhere around in this area. See how fast it wants to do it. Let's see if the retrade's all it needs. It looks kind of fast going like that, so you got liquidity here too, like I said. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Put them in a blender. 5-minute lick. $8.5. No, I just missed it on the retrace. Five-minute Johnny's a little higher. Got broke even on a 28 short, but that's it. Damn, 28 short, bro. That shit would have been nasty. Yeah, so right here, I think we're going to end up selling off. Would be nice. I'm going to trade right into this fair value gap. If we leave it open now, it's going to be a fucking tank job down lower. But there we go. Just trading that little IFED right there, 1 minute. We don't have the close over the 5 yet, so that's going to tell a lot of the story right here. This fair value gap is going to tell a lot. A lot of the story. What it wants to do near term. Music sounds like a little Italian. With that like what is that? That the xylophone. So it just gave that whole down move back. So huge retracements, also characteristics of high resistance liquidity run. I mean, like I said, like, do I want to just fucking trade this? ES now back down into its back down to first presented. Inversion fair value gap there. I mean, that's super nice. We could see that going higher. So like I see ES going higher, I see NASDAQ going lower. Like, I mean, if I was a betting man now on NASDAQ, I think it'd go up with ES. So, like I said, after trades up to here, can trade down the first presented, then go up higher. So, something like that. Again here. Boink. So, close is over. If we get back down below this, I'm like probably just not interested in today, to be honest. Really not interested. If we get back down below this first presented fair value gap right now before taking out this swing high, then it's like it's just kind of a fucked up day. First presented right there. I mean, just not a day that I'd want to be in, to be honest. So here's my characteristics of a high resistance liquidity run day. Fucking tits. Hold on. There we go. So what I don't want to see is no precision. Bodies are closing outside like this. Bodies are closing outside of like a nice key area here. Right? Bodies are closing. I wanted to see this go as bearishness and it's closing outside of that. Doesn't run liquidity right away. So like this. Like what it do? Even here at the beginning, it didn't run it right away, had a big retracement all the way back up and then ran it. So it doesn't run for it immediately. Spends a lot of time in fair value gaps. Like this. First presented fair value gap of the day of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles all around that same fair value gap right now. Reclaimed PDAs a lot, so you broke through it, came back, reclaimed it, and then tanked lower. I mean, just all this shit. And then small opening range gap. Decoupled off the start. We talked about less than 40 points opening range gap, which we have now. So small opening range gaps indicative. So a lot of the stuff that I just don't want to see and really shouldn't be a part of. So I'll monitor. I'll still stick around. But not the coolest shit I've ever seen, to be honest. Like I said, I like it now after getting above this first presented to go up to buy side here. I mean, not the cleanest respect either of this 5-minute fair value gap, but it is what it is. All of them are in sync now, so that's pretty clean. Get a retrade right there. Should want to go up. First presented should hold it. Also, this should hold. This would be the last line of defense here, but that should absolutely send it higher. There you go. It's just the massive retracements, bro. Like relative to the time frame, right? Like here on the 15-second, like here, we really shouldn't have had this down close candle. In a nice smooth market, it should have just maybe left a fair value gap, come back down and traded up, or just ripped it from there. Like that big retracement there, then to just go up through that, that's a big characteristics. And there we go. We hit that target. 15-minute buy side liquidity. So basically from first presented or like up in this area, like the 136 area. I mean, 10-point moves, bro. It's literally all you can get right now. But all I'm looking at, but ES, little 5-point move to go higher. Like it's just not conducive. So I think, yeah, I think ES, we're going to get this scenario here. What the hell is that? Oh, okay. So we're probably going to get this scenario here on ES is take out these relative equal highs. And then for lunch or PM session, trade back down into below this low for a little TGIF. I think that's the play right now. But I mean, super clean area. I feel like that should have absolutely swept lower from there. Just, I mean, not the coolest market ever. Like that's a massive retracement to then just go up from there. Like super, super just massive. And I don't feel comfortable trading those. I like short retracements, bam, bam, and take those. A nice little stair step the whole way up. Like the PM session yesterday. That PM session yesterday was fucking dirty. This right here. This is what I wouldn't be a part of. This. So after this move, it's just everything stair step, bam, hits it. So like something like this. This is a move I want to be a part of. Stair step down, stair step. Yeah, it takes out liquidity, but then quickly rejects. Here, stair step. Could be a little bit messy in this area, but bam, 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 and then keep going lower. That's the moves that I want to be a part of. Or obviously shit. If I can get into this move, it just rips. I mean, fuck. I'll take that, but these are the moves, right? Little retracement, rip. Little retracement, take out the swing low, rip. Little retracement, rip. Little retracement, rip. Little retracement, rip. Like that's the kind of shit I'm looking for. NASDAQ just absolutely going lunar now, following ES's roll. ES, I mean, it's literally 3 points from here to get to that swing high. Like it's just, I mean, it's just too close of a range, to be honest. If you're going to take anything, it's going to be on NASDAQ. But I think we get that swing high. Both of them are looking good for higher from this point. We got still 2 minutes there. Anything below the first percent, ixnays everything. But if we stay above 130, we'll be going for this high here. Any retracement, I could see it still have a big retracement, like I said. But that's why I'm not getting into a trade, because any other day I would take this next fair value gap here. If that candle closes right there, I would take this trade from here to there. But I don't know how big the retracement's going to be, and it could just end up stopping me out. So, I mean, look, already like way down there comparatively to where I wanted to see it go. But yeah, I mean, even something like this on. Shit, I'm not even sharing that screen. I gotta be better at doing that. But something like this, I mean, stair step, stair step, stair step, stair step. Like I said here, like that's an even bigger retracement than I wanted to see there. But it's been nice on the 15-second, this whole move. Very nice macro move right there. So this fair value gap we could trade into. Little boy. Old high over here. 5 minute can get into that. Also, I'd like to see it hit the top of that breaker. That'd be sweet. Low, high, lower, low. Get all these people out. That's a nice little area to buy that high. Nice trade into this fair value gap here on NASD. So 63, I'd take it out at 64. It'd be literally a 1-to-1. But massive retracement there on NASDAQ now. It's just too big. Relative to the time frame, obviously. It is 5 minute fair value gap. Can't get down into there if we want to stretch it out when we close. ES also a little bit deeper than I've wanted to see it if it was a good clean market. I mean, just that move right there is all you need to know. Just that. It's just like, fuck. I think we go higher though. 100%. But just not clean. I don't feel safe putting on a stop loss right now. I don't feel safe. Don't feel safe. That low shouldn't get taken out. We should stay above that before hitting here. Wants to mess around. I mean, that's the 5 minute swing low actually. So 5 minute fair value gap. Wants to retrace. I wouldn't be surprised on a day like today Trade into this fair value gap breaker, low, high, lower, low. And then trade up. You mean wait for the sell? Best to wait for this move higher to take place. You talking about then sell after, or don't even worry about it? Yeah, I mean, look at this retracement now. Back down into it. Like, not the cleanest. I mean, we can get back down to this. I'd rather have seen this be a breakaway. I don't want to see the bottom half come even close. I don't even want to see a trade back down to the first presented here. But it probably will, just because of the characteristics of the day. In a good, clean market, it would just tap that and fucking run. But just because of the characteristics today, like, I think it's probably going to tap that and then fucking go, because it needs to overlap fucking everything before going higher. So, from right there, like I said, that was last line for right now. Yeah. If we get over this, bro, that'd be kind of nasty, though. But it would still just be a 1-to-1, which is retarded. Yeah, only 1-to-1 trades for me today if I had to take one. Because, I mean, the fucking stop loss just has to be fucking huge. So, your third PDA, man. And all those retracements just fucking hits and then rockets up. So, like I said, like in a symmetrical day, that wouldn't have retraced all the way down there. Would have just took out this swing low real quick and then fucking rocketed. Or it wouldn't even have to take out that swing low. But since this is a big retracement day, trade all the way back down. I said first presented and then gave you a little pump right there. So I think we're going to go up here for now. Like, it could absolutely just give you one more retracement, but it won't break the swing low before taking this out. No shot. No shot. So any buy around here, be pretty decent. Might go half risk on her. Just say fuck it. Super clean setup. If I can get a nice price on it. So retrace back down to like this area. I'm cool with that. Just a little something on her. See what happens. Yeah, 77 bucks. Not shit. Just a test. Test the theory. There you go. Big dump right there. It's just tough little market, baby. Tough little market. That was an old theory tester. So. It happens. Tough boy, tough boy. But like I said, I mean, that was $77 risk. Like, that's a quarter risk right there. So I'm not mad at taking that at all. Just to test to see if that's going to work out. Like, super, super low risk. Hell yeah, bro. That's fucking sick. Good shit. Hell yeah, brother. So I have a problem with my accounts. I don't know why they didn't copy trade. What was I trading on? MNQ. From Freddy Futures. I don't know why they didn't copy trade. It's weird. None of them. He said, just texted me. I mean, I could see why they didn't take it on Top Step because I didn't have the, it was the sim account. But why didn't it take it on here? Exact quantity. Break even on the day. Hell yeah. Very weird. Very, very weird. Bro, I had a short at 49. It didn't get filled. Damn, that's crazy. GG's, bro. Yeah, just a large retracement day, bro. Super, super tough. All indicative of just a weird market. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this, bro. That's so weird. Why didn't take it on any other account? Because I have the trade copier up. Huh. Yo. I put the December 2024 contract instead of the March 2025 contract. That's fucking hilarious. I'm so dumb. So fucking dumb. That's so funny. That's hilarious. GG's. That's so dumb. I'm so stupid. Stupidity works out my favor though. Let's ride. Oh. Ugh. That's so funny. I think we go higher from here. That's just not clean. Patrick, I'll check it. I'll check when I'm done. We'll mess around on the old sim account. Like, you just really have to just have a massive stop loss today. It sucks. But it is what it is. Mess around on the sim account. Not actually going to be taking these. First time messed around the sim account in a while. So I just don't feel safe doing the other shit. Didn't want to get that fill breaker right here. Put another one on. Inside this order block here. Stop loss will move up. Do it. Another buy limit right below the swing low. Yeah, honestly, like that's why I'm in the sim account, because on a day like today, I don't. It just absolutely doesn't have to rip, and a lot of the support resistance ideas end up working out in the right way. At least like this one did. We'll buy that again. Try to get a buy stop on right there as it flew through it. Let's see if we can get back down into this area for another buy. Nice slow climb up. Have a buy limit under each swing low. Yeah, I'm not even sharing my fucking screen, bro. Just a sim account here again. Nothing crazy. Just trying to test it. Test some theories out. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall fast. Yep, there we go. Right below first presented. This rejection block down here. 2725. Just a little sim account action. Like I said, I'm wrong. I mean, I'm wrong on these days a lot more than I'm right on these high versus liquidity run days. That whole list that I went through, just not fun. So I took a quarter of a risk on my one account, and now I'm in a sim account trying to trade again, and I'm losing again. And that's why I don't trade these kind of days. So I hope this hits stop loss, because then it would be a nice pat on my back to say, hey, stay out of these kind of days. Well, that's why we put it where we put it. So just an absolutely massive stop loss. I'll buy that retracement right there. Let's see. Really cheap trade all the way down near my stop loss. So that order at least will only be a little bit of a loss. But I mean, the other 6 are going to be on average up here. Boink. One more for good measures. All right, take me out. Come on, baby. Really? 1 tick away? There we go. Good. Good. I love it. I love it. GG's. That's how I'd manage a trade, though, in like my regular accounts. I mean, not all this adding down here. Definitely not when I'm adding this. But absolutely this. Bam. Add to your winners. Add to your winners. Keep going up. I think this swing low is going to get tapped right there. This bad boy. Let's see. Doesn't have to. Read the old crypto report. Here we go for the boys that like crypto. C-Drag or Patty, you guys into crypto at all? I haven't even talked about crypto with y'all. You want me to read yesterday's? Fuck, I gotta get on a bigger screen. Should I read it like a reporter? Is this yes? Oh, no, it's not yesterday's. Cool. Oh, man. All right, so the daily crypto market update. He said yes, please. He said got 100 in XRP. Tobias, what do you think about XRP? Drop that in the chat. Not my chat, but the stream chat. Nice. Just took out that swing low right there. Very nice. Good call, Patty, on that short up top there. You said, oh shit, that shit pumped. Let's check out XRP real quick. Hold up. Daily. Oh, let's go weekly. And then daily. Can't believe y'all got me talking about fucking crypto. XRP, USDT. Yeah, November, it pump. It pumped even for the last couple days there. Took out sell side right there. Bang. Everybody who was trailing their stop. And now it's pumping again. He said XRP mid. Copy the mid. All right, here we go. Daily crypto update. Let me get back to ES. Or let's actually just talk about crypto. Global market cap is 3.33 trillion. Top movers is KAS, JUP, Hype, and Broccoli. Let's read that report. Altcoin market trends. CZ posted the name of his dog Broccoli, but didn't create a token. Instead, he left it up to the community, in which we saw multiple tokens being launched, all fragmenting liquidity away from one another, and it turned into a big PvP match. He realized this wasn't advantageous for the community and said he'll work on things in the future. JUP has been gaining traction ahead of their buyback starting Monday, and Hype continues to be an outperformer ahead of its Hyper EVM launch. Ooh. CZ is the co-founder of Binance. Oh, okay, cool. Nice. So he made a coin, Broccoli. Well, he didn't make the coin. He had people make the coin for him and go from there. Cool. Key news headlines, regulatory updates, SEC and CFTC to restart joint advisory committee on crypto regulations, partnership and integrations. Nota Bean, is that how you say that? Nota Bean, M2 and MasterCard partners with simplify compliance and increase consumer trust with crypto credential integrations. Damn, these are just like fucking words. Major developments. SEC formally accepted Grayscale XRP and Dogecoin ETF applications for the review. Nice. So isn't that like, if they go on ETF, shouldn't that like bring their fucking market cap up? Because a lot more people can invest in it and shit. Yeah, it's a nice little real finance report. I fucking love this. This is sick. Upcoming events. Some macro events. Do Kwon's. Who's Do Kwon? Do Kwon's? Detention ends February that. What is detention? It ends February 15th. NVIDIA earnings February 26th. Ethereum Denver February 23rd through March 2nd. FOMC March 19th. Summary. The PPI numbers came in at 0.4, which was slightly higher than the forecasted 0.3. This was accompanied by a core PPI increase of 0.3% as expected. The market reacted. Oh, hold on. A little sell off. Keep selling off. Let me go back to the old 5-1 NASDAQ. NQ. There we go. Let's just watch that while we go. Bear says that could delay interest rates cuts, but overall the reaction was muted as most already had it priced in from yesterday's CPI results. Everything we've seen from the positive ETFs news to founders being more engaged to more regulatory clarity leads me to believe that a bigger run could still happen this month. Ooh. Remember, February and March are historically bullish months for Bitcoin. Most of the negative news is having less an effect, which makes me believe that we are one positive catalyst away from a major pump. Until then, continue to focus on strong performers and manage risk accordingly. Bam. So Do Kwon is the founder of DeFi Space. Go in some trouble. Oh, got in some trouble. Does it say got or go? Do Kwon is the founder of the DeFi Space. Got in some trouble. Gotcha. Dude, that's a fucking report and a half, bro. These are fucking sick. Beautiful reports. Oh, in the DeFi space. Got it. Deregulated finance. That's the way we're going. 'Twas the way we're going. Yeah, keep them coming daily. Just remind me. I'll absolutely read that. That's sick. That's a nice little report. And then, yeah, I mean, we can get a macroeconomics one going too. So, like, send that, like, kind of template to Sean. I mean, I'm guessing you put that in ChatGPT and everything. Like, I would give Sean the exact same thing. Just, I mean, obviously you do your research and shit. And then, like, ChatGPT kind of makes it into those notes and stuff. But I would absolutely just give that same thing to Sean. Oh, it doesn't update daily. Okay. Well, shit, dude. I asked ChatGPT about the Super Bowl commercial. I'm like, hey, like, you just had a nice Super Bowl commercial. And it was like, oh, thanks. Yeah, like, this is what we're trying to do and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, shit. Like, it's kind of wild that it doesn't update daily for that stuff, I guess. But, yeah. I mean, literally in real time, Super Bowl commercial, it was like, yep, we got it. So that was kind of cool. It might have already been preset into there. So I don't know. But it seems like real-time stuff's going on. Nice little tank there from Naz again. I'm just saying the format and the wording, too, for ChatGPT. Like, the research done by you, obviously. And then the wording and all that. ChatGPT, the format. I mean, that's super clean, bro. That looks really good. Hell yeah, Patty. Still running, baby. He goes, what are y'all talking about? Oh, you just came back. Okay, buddy. Okay. Fucking, crypto market update. Dubai sends me a little update, of the crypto market. And I just read it all off. Oh, you didn't even use ChatGPT. That's sweet. Good job, bro. Sorry, I was busy taking profits from the short at the top. Attaboy. You're funny. I'll put the report on screen. All right, cool. I didn't know if you wanted me to share all that. I'm cool with that. Yeah, I can, yeah, I'll put it on screen when I read it next time. There we go. To buy. Bro, that's probably the best picture I've seen from you. I'm gonna be honest. That's a great fucking picture of you. It's just clean. Like the black undershirt, the black blazer, like your fucking line is like, I mean, I'm not trying to glaze you or anything, you know what I mean? But like, fuck, what's up? Could see you go lower from here. So I like it lower. Continue to keep going down for these lows down here. So it didn't want buy side there. Wanted to keep it intact. Really both of them. Would have been nice to see at least one of them take it out. But we shall see. Let me unplug this real quick. The only thing I don't like about this mic is that it fucking rotates and I can't really rotate it back without having it be sturdy. He said that. Low at 10 a.m. from here, leaving the relative equal lows there. I like to see it just keep rolling over and go lower. We'll take a nice little sim sell. Take a nice little simmy boy sell. Almost got up into our stop loss, but let's see. Bam! Smacks the stop loss. Let's fucking ride. That's fucking nice. I love how I'm not right on any of these because I don't feel fucking pressured to take any kind of trades right now. Play Adore. Adore You by Fred again. Adore. Am I going to get copyrighted for that shit? Let's check it out. Yay. Adore you. Fred again. Is this shit gas or what? 1 year ago? Who the fuck is Fred again? Still looks like an idiot. Alright, bet, just vibe. Oh, okay, okay. Yo, stop.
Ooh, I adore you. I came first, but you're ahead beyond your years. People try to find this thing.
This right here. This is your it.
Ooh, I adore you.
It really is angelic. It's like the beat's off though. Like the tap's good, but then like the stuff behind it's like just kind of messing with it. There we go. Oh yeah. All right, I can fuck with it. Oh, just wait, little house music. That is a vibe, bro.
When you pray your answer, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way every day would be your parade. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you.
He goes, what's happening?
Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. And I pray you never lose your star. I'm so proud of all that you are.
Great song. Great song. Big Pimpin' P, yeah, nod your head, my boy.
Sticking to routine can be a little tricky.
Skip. There we go. Little vibe right there. Pimpin' P. Oh, that sounded dope. Hell yeah, bro. How's the vibe? That was Adore You by who was it by? Something again? Fred again? That's slow shit. I don't know. The shit I'm playing right now? Stuff. crazy. Let's ride. Not really else going on here. I'll wait till 11, but I'm not gonna take a trade today. No shot. No shot on the trade. I mean, I tried to go long on where the hell was it? Oh, funded account. There we go. Try to go long up here. Unless you have sell side all taken, you have 2 relative equal highs left, and then with buy side like up here at like 105. It really was like 103, but 105 is a better buy side. So would look something like this. Took it off this reclaimed order block, basically inside the breaker. So that was it. Stop loss there. Entry was there. Take profit was there. So 1 to 2, and then draw down the whole time. Basically got 1 tick above. I mean, a few ticks. Just 1 point above where my entry was. And then just absolutely slid off, so. Yep. That's where the cookie crumbles. Just 1 loss today. But like I said, I only put a quarter fucking risk on it. Because I wasn't even that fucking sure. Just because of how the characteristics of the day was. So. Just a wee little guy. Just a wee little boy. We do respect it. We do fucking respect it. Go back over yonder. So, nice stop loss on there. No big deal. Did slip me a little bit on my stop loss. I did only have $77 risk on it, and then it slipped me to 93. I mean, that's across a bunch of accounts, but still. But, yeah, I like it higher. I've been liking it higher the whole time. Just huge retracement. Even on the 5 minute here. Just massive retracement. I look at this as a retracement on an extension. Also on ES too. Look at this as a retracement. Just the characteristics of the day. I mean, it takes out the daily low, and now we're just going to fucking pump higher. I mean, just gradually. I mean, just because how the day is, but... we're gonna reclaim all this stuff over here. So now it's time to use that as some bullishness. So yeah. So fucking yeah. You know what I mean? So pumping higher here. Like I said, should want to take out the buy side. Nice little slope down. Trend should break and then just fucking destroy. This little trend here. Absolutely get demolished. Go for the upside. If we break that back down below this and it's no good, then I'm definitely getting off no matter what. But I think we're just going to pump. Pump, 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 pump. Patty, you in on that 5 minute close right there, my boy. That's a nice 5 minute close. 10:45? Sheesh. That shit crazy. In there like swimwear, my boy. Nice pump. Nice pump. Taking out all that buy side after taking some sell side at. That's what I was looking for all through here. Just had a massive retracement and then kept going. So I was looking for on this one here. It's touching that. Then it retraced one more time. Looking to get in longs there on my sim account. Retraced fucking massively. And now it's going up for that buy side. So. Yes, sir. We'll wait until it takes it out. If it doesn't take it out by 11:10, I'm out. But I think we'll get it. Pump, pump. So we can trade below that swing low right here and go higher. I don't want to see it trace all the way back down to here. I really just want to see it go like it's doing right now. Beautiful. Beauty. Right above that swing high right there. Beautiful. Got it. A little bit. Sweet. And now we're going to pump up to 130, 163. Should say 165 and beyond. Yep, right there. Bada bing, bada boom. How you doing? Beautiful move back all the way up. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous move. So, all right, boys. I think that's it for me. I will be seeing y'all next week. Thanks for tuning in. Gotta take my girl out to lunch, you know? Fucking Valentine's Day. Don't forget Valentine's Day, boys. If you have a loved one, make sure you let them know you love them. So, not just for the significant other, but for everybody. All right, boys. Peace out. Love you.